What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Man, you guys saw the title. This is the Nike LD Waffle Sacai white nylons. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, all social media, all that good stuff. And we don't cook food. We promise we don't have the coronavirus. But shout out to everybody battling it right now. Shit's kind of crazy. So, yeah, man. As you guys can see from the title, these are the Sacai's. You already know we cooked them up previously. Make sure you guys check out that video. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a little picture right now. Yeah, make sure you guys check that out. DSM coming in clutch. First time cooking off of there. As you guys see from that label right there. I can't believe it either. I thought it was a myth. I've shed many tears. Stayed up many nights wondering why I could never hit. But anyway, they shipped this John really quick. Nice packaging. Here's the actual sneaker box. Let's get into it. Now, as always, you know you guys can use our videos as a legit check. Everything is always going to be cooked, authentic, and for retail. So you know, if at any point you need to, go ahead and pause the video and do what you gotta do. You feel me? So anyway, guys, as you can see, this is a size 10.5. Nice little size. Unfortunately, they're not doing too crazy on the resale game. As you guys can see, retail right now for this price. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that up. Let me know what you guys think, man, before we even unbox them. Was this a hard cop for you guys? Easy cop? Let me know in the comments. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and opened it up just a little bit, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys the actual wrapping paper. Not too sure what it says on it. Probably Sacai or something relative to that. But let's go ahead and get into this. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey! Wow, here they are, guys. Sacai, nylon. First impressions, fire. These shits are bussin'. No, but for real, this is really crazy. I think they're much better designed and like better quality already from this, what I could see, than the original. Gotta love that. That's so cool right there, that little lace with the gold tip. But enough of me talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like, and I want to hear your opinion at the end. Stay tuned.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you missing, and you deserve. so down.
So yeah guys, there we have it. The Nike LD Sacai Waffle Nylon White. Man, what do you guys think? Honestly, from first impressions, I was pretty blown away. Like I said, we did cook the previous one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up for reference. You can check out that video as well. But they did a great job to, you know, the way they did these. I really dig the nylon. I think it's really cool. It's really dope material. You know, it really clashes well in the best way with like this rougher suede material or whatever it could be on the toe box and stuff. But what do you guys think, man? Let me know in the comments. Unfortunately, this isn't my size. You know, your boy's rocking that size 13 life. If you hit on them, let me know. Would you guys rock them? Would you guys throw them away, donate them, flip them? Just wanted to also point out, they also come with 2 separate pairs of laces. Nothing crazy. Honestly, I think I would rather just have these laced up the way they come. It's more elegant. I'm trying to show you guys in the best detail how like soft they are. But yeah, let me know what you guys think as always, and stay tuned for more heat. Stay safe out here with this coronavirus, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.